Yam and make money is what I'm talking to you about today. How to make money from trading yam. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing how to trade yam and make money. Yam is a high staple crop in many parts of the world, and it is in high demand in many countries. By learning how to trade yam, you can make a profit and contribute to the economy. Step 1 in learning how to make money from trading yam is to understand the yam market. Understand the yam market. The first step to trading yam is to understand the yam market and the market. You need to know the countries that have a high demand for yam and the current prices in those countries. This will help you to make informed decisions when buying and selling yam. Step 2 is to source for yam. The next step is to source yam. You can buy yam from local farmers or from yam markets. It is important to ensure that the yam is of high quality and meets the standards of the country you plan to export it to. Number 3 is the packaging and transportation of the yam. Once you have sourced yam, the next step is to package and transport it. You need to ensure that the yam is properly packaged and labeled according to the requirements of the country you plan to export it to. You also need to arrange for transportation to the port or airport. The step 4 in making money from yam and yam trading is exporting the yam. The final step is to export yam. You need to ensure that you have all the necessary documents, such as permits and licenses, before exporting the yam. You also need to work with a reliable shipping company to ensure that the yam reaches its destination on time and also in very good condition. Trading yam can be a profitable business if done correctly by understanding the market, sourcing high quality yam, properly packaging and transporting it, and working with reliable shipping companies. You can make a profit and contribute to the economy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Before I go, let me say this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead now and click the subscribe button. If you have not shared the link of this video, just go ahead below and click share, and then it's going to show different social media which you already have where it wanted to be shared. Let other people in your circle of influence know about this channel, and how that can be done is by sharing the link of the videos of this channel with them. So please help me to spread the word wide. Then make your comments and your questions in the comment section below. I am going to be happy. Maybe you have ideas on how I can improve my channel. Maybe you have concern on how you can export yam, or where to get yam, or where to plant yam, or the varieties you are going to plant and other things. You can ask me in the comment section below, and I am going to be glad to help. You can also contact me by WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number, if you request for it here, I'm going to give it to you. And you can also leave your WhatsApp number in the comment section below so that I can contact you if there's need for us to have further contact. I have other videos talking about if this same yam business in another perspective, in another dimension. I have more than 5 or so videos only on yam, and I have hundreds of other videos on different businesses and different aspects of life. I'm going to talk to you in my next video. This video that's popping up is the next you need to go ahead and watch now. See you soon.